Before all the COVID stuff, what was unemployment? 2.9%. And it was not in the skilled trades. That was zero, practically speaking. My name is John Flinn. I'm the Vice President, General Manager of Innovent Technologies in Peabody, Massachusetts. There's just so much that goes on in the world where you have to make stuff. If somebody's been in a program, they're going to start at a higher rate than somebody that hasn't. Most of our leads on the floor now came out of these programs 4 or 5 years ago. So their pay has almost doubled. Those are the people that you just latch on. I can tell you, one was a mailman, one was a carpenter, right? And they just said, I don't feel like I'm going anywhere. So they did a huge change from a person standpoint. And they're sitting there saying, give me more, teach me more. It's fantastic.